Hello, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to hack Subway Surfer by using Lucky Patcher. You have to watch this video carefully. Then just go to Subway Surfer, open your Lucky Patcher and just go to Subway Surfer, and here you can see open menu for patches and click on it. Support patches for in-apps and LBL emulation. Just click on it and apply, and it's just getting full. And just patches, and here you can see launch app, and you have to click on launch app. So this is get started to open Subway Surfer. This is too slow, and let's open Subway Surfer. You can see my ISO score is 6754 67277, and I am in the, I think I am in that, I do not have a internet connection, so there is not seen my ISO score. I think I am in Diamond League. So then at last you have to do, and here you have to go on me and plus. Here is 2 into, and you have to click on it. What amount you want to patch? So click on it and click on save purchase and yes. And you can see here is my gold is increasing, and same as same, you have to click on crate of keys, click on it and same. So here it's patch. Then I want to show you one example board, and I want to buy this. I hope you all enjoy this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe this, and thank you so much to my watch this